Hi friends, welcome to our channel Travel Junkie. In today's video, we will be taking you on the tour of one more hotel, which is La Meridien, located in Kondapur area of Hyderabad. While we booked the staycation package here, frankly speaking friends, our experience wasn't that good, but again, it was our experience. You may get a better experience too. So chalo, let's take you across the hotel. This is the parking where you leave your car, and here comes the reception area, quite lit up, and it's beautiful. They have a quieter space to handle the crowd, and this comes the coffee house. You can have your beverage here and enjoy the chatting chit chats and all. Ambience is quite good. Let's now move towards our rooms, but before that, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Our room is on 10th floor and we have reached our room. Now we are swiping our card and going inside. And this is our room. At the entrance, they had a wardrobe and a small fridge. Beverages like tea and coffee powders are also available. Then we have water bottles and a kettle for you, TV, a study table, this is with study with telephone, and here comes the city view from our window. This is a queen size bed. Friends, this is a business hotel, so I think room size is a bit small compared to other hotels we have been to. And yeah, the bathrooms also have no bathtubs or the bath sections. It's only a partition, no bathtubs, as I told you earlier. Now we are going out of the room and let's show you the hotel. On the top floor we had the spa section, gymnasium, and this is the swimming pool. It's raining right now, so we can't go out, so just enjoy the view. Let's go back and check the gymnasium. So here is the gymnasium where you can perform your fitness routine. They have a good number of exercising machines and all equipments. So overall it's okay. in the evening at the ground floor we had a coffee, and at night we went to restaurant area for dinner, and were surprised to see there was no one in the restaurant area. And so we went around the restaurant to check it out. Well, though we had our dinner in our package, there was too much back and forth to explain it, and we got our dinner around 1.5 hours late. So now we are in restaurant again, and it's a morning time for our breakfast. And yes, morning time they had a variety of things for the buffet, and which you can see in the video. At least now in the morning it looks lively. At night it was all deserted, I could say. And now we are back in again at the restaurant for the brunch time, and even in brunch there was enormous number of items. And so that was our tour, guys. We will back with the new video. Till then, bye bye, and you can have a look at the delicacies present here. See ya.